The object of our attention today is a project that can be safely called the first rewards project, in which daily rewards do not decrease with decreasing volume. It only launched on September 1st, which means it has something to say. We present to you the Rewardium project. Rewardium is an innovative passive income project. The project allows you to select tokens from a list every day and claim them as a reward for that day. Choose from BTC, ETH, BNB, ADI, and many more. There will be community voting for others, as well as an exclusive partnership with major BSC tokens. In other words, the project supports multi-currency rewards without losing any rewards. Despite the fact that the project was launched only on September 1st, it already placed its users with lucrative cooperation offers. How about cancelling these charges? Now you don't have to spend money to get rewarded. Rewardium has done everything so that the daily reward of users takes away less gas fees. This is due to the fact that Rewardium pays for those costs themselves, which makes them very generous and customer-oriented. Taking into account the multi-currency of the Rewardium platform, we have prepared a special storage. Storage is a separate storage pool that can contain other valuable assets such as NFT. With planned exclusive partnerships, users will have the option to mint a limited number of NFTs when requesting partner tokens, participate in a lottery draw to win NFTs, and more. This opens the door to more exciting opportunities for Reum holders and keeps the platform fresh and fun for everyone. It's also worth noting the unique Dynamic Taxation Protocol. Dynamic Taxation Protocol (DTP) is a revolutionary mechanism that adjusts tax rates to mention and update supply pools. DTP replenishes the liquidity pool as needed and prioritizes up to 10% of the total transaction tax to the rewards pool when the liquidity is good. Let's pay attention to the tokenomics of the project. Reum is the main token of the project. Its distribution is as follows: 21% incinerated, 4 and 2% stand for partner development, 4 and 5% for marketing, 10 and 6% will be directed private sale, 35 and 5% pre-sale, 22 and 9% public launch. The rest will go to public contests and giveaways. Distribution of taxes is also worth mentioning. 13% will be spent on the rewards pool, 1% for marketing, and another 1% for the development of the project. In general, the project shows great promise, which is reflected in the roadmap. Listing, active marketing policy, additional tokens, and much more await us in the future. All that remains is to subscribe to their official communities and wait for interesting news. The project will not let you get bored. The dynamic portion of all transaction taxes, as well as all anti-pumping taxes, will continually replenish the smart pool. Any excess rewards in the smart pool are transferred back to the reward pool, which will be shared by everyone, and if the reward pool is less than the previous 24 hours, the smart pool will add to the difference. Gone are the days when you had to wait what is more profitable, wait for the maximum demand or buy a failure. Now you can do both. Any additional tokens purchased mid-cycle will not affect your current outstanding rewards until your next cycle begins. Rewardium took care of security and implemented an anti-dumping mechanism. Everything is done in order to provide even more tax on the pool, while encouraging sales. The more an investor sells within 24 hours, the more tax will be charged on each additional transaction on top of the exciting 15% transaction tax. Sellers can now sell as much as they want without fear of transaction rejection or a fee. In conclusion, I would like to note that Rewardium is a very promising project with which it is really beneficial to cooperate. Now the project goes to meet its users and offer the best solution for your rewards. Take advantage of this and participate in the token pre-sale. If you are interested in this project, then check it out personally. Go to the official website and communities. All the necessary links can be found in the description under the video.